Case name Mallikarjun, age is 20 years and today date is 16 April 2026. I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. What problem you are facing, why you came here?
My name is Mallikarjun. I am from Bijapur. I have a female voice problem. That reason I am coming from SLP Sanjay Kumar sir from taken treatment.
Okay, how it's affecting your day-to-day life?
It is very critical for me when I am talking to have any front of people. He is saying to your voice like a girl.
Post therapy video of Mallikarjun, and today date is 23rd April 2026. So Mallikarjun, what was the problem? How do you feel now?
Hi, my name is Mallikarjun. I am from Karnataka. I am suffering from high pitch voice problem and female voice problem. That reason I am coming from SLP Sanjay Kumar sir from taken treatment.
And what changes you are observing after the voice therapy?
Then after voice therapy, I have changes why so many things.
Okay, tell in Kannada, what was the problem? How do you feel after the treatment?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನು. ನನಗೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೈ ಪಿಚ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ SLP ಸಂಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Thank you. And can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get more hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.